guys, welcome back to my channel Stanley Ka Kitchen. So guys, first of all, I'm really sorry that I could not upload any of my video due to some reasons. I was caught up with some work, which is why I could not upload any of my video. So here I am once again presenting my new video, that is chicken 65, my new recipe. Guys, chicken 65, people say that 65 ingredients are used in this preparation of a recipe. Or some says that 65 red chilies are used in the preparation. Well, whatever reasons are there by the chefs, well, we love one thing, that we love chicken. So hop on to my channel Stanley Ka Kitchen and join me in my kitchen. I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe, and please give me your love and affection through your likes and through your comments. Thank you. Guys, welcome back to Stanley Ka Kitchen, and today again I'm going to make a recipe for you. As you can see, it's a chicken, so definitely I'm going to make some chicken recipe. Well, today I'm going to be making chicken 65. So for that I've taken 250 grams of boneless chicken, and this is 1 teaspoon of salt, which I will add here, just 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I've got 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Okay, then again I'll take 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a little bit more, around 1.5 teaspoon. Then afterwards we'll have garam masala. We'll add garam masala around 1 teaspoon, sprinkle on it, and then I'll add 2 tablespoons of corn flour here. As you can see, 2 tablespoons. And here I've got lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Yeah, like that. Now I'll mix it. I'll mix with a spoon like this. So guys, as you can see that I have mixed the masala into the chicken pieces, and all the masala is well coated onto the chicken. So I'll quickly, what I'll do is I'll crack an egg and then I'll beat it. Now, as you can see, I'm going to add my beaten egg into the chicken pieces. This will act as a binding agent, and this will plop the masalas well into the chicken pieces. So one more way of marinating it is just mix it well, and then the best thing is that, so guys, my marinated chicken is ready. What I'll do is I'll keep it for 30 minutes in the refrigerator, and then we will use it. Guys, as you can see that my marinated chicken is ready. So what I'll do is, on the other hand, I've heated my wok and I've added oil. So my oil is also heated. So one by one we'll put pieces of the chicken. So guys, I've transferred my marinated chicken into the oil. So now I will keep it on medium flame and let it heat for 3 to 4 minutes until my chicken pieces turn into golden brown and crispy. So wait and watch. So guys, my chicken is almost cooked. I will not overcook it. You can see the color. See the color of the chicken. So now I'll quickly transfer it into my bowl. Guys, as you can see that my marinated chicken, the one which I fried, is almost ready. I kept it aside for at least 10 minutes, and in the meantime I've heated my my pan, as you can see. So I'll quickly add jeera. You can hear some crackle sound. That's it. And then I have garlic here as well as split green chilies, which I'll put, and then I'll saute it a little bit. Now after a few minutes, let's say 1 or 2 minutes, as you can see, the green chili has turned a little grayish. So now I'll add 2 dry red chili in it. It's not actually, the green chili has not turned grayish, but yes, it has changed color. So after that I've added 2 red chili, dry red chili. I'll saute a little bit. Now what I'll do is, I'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, or you can say Szechuan sauce. You can use as per your taste. We'll sprinkle some water. That's it. So now what I'll do is, I'll add my chicken pieces. So guys, my chicken 65 is almost ready. I'm going to serve it with the plate. So I'm going to turn off the flame now. And then you can see I'm going to transfer it here. So guys, my chicken 65 is ready. You can enjoy it in starter with any of your favorite drink, recipe or any dish. Thank you for watching Stanley Ka Kitchen. So guys, my chicken 65 is ready now. You can serve this with any of your favorite recipe, whether it's fried rice or noodles. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and if you do enjoy it, then do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, that is Stanley Ka Kitchen, and please share this video with your friends and family. Please hit the bell icon to get more notification for my upcoming videos. And during this lockdown or whatever unlock time is going on, guys, stay safe and be happy.